Still struggling with stubborn weight? These 9 detox waters speed up your fat burning, flush out toxins, and help you lose weight fast. In today's video, I'm sharing 9 fat-burning detox waters that will give your weight loss journey a serious boost. You'll see how each recipe works, the exact steps to make it, and when to drink it for maximum results. Stick around, because some of these combinations will surprise you. Let's get started. Number 1. Lemon and mint detox water. Lemon alone is like nature's built-in fat burner. It's packed with vitamin C, which supports fat metabolism and helps your body burn energy more efficiently. Plus, it's alkalizing, meaning it helps balance your body's pH levels, which may sound fancy, but really it's about keeping your system in fat-burning mode rather than fat-storing mode. Mint, on the other hand, isn't just there for that refreshing taste. It actually soothes digestion, reduces bloating, and can help curb those sneaky cravings. Here's how you make it. Slice half a lemon into thin rounds and toss them into a pitcher of water. Add 6-7 fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse for at least 2 hours in the fridge, or better yet, overnight. The longer it sits, the more powerful the flavor and the benefits. The best time to drink lemon and mint water is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Think of it as your body's gentle wake-up call. It flushes out toxins that your body worked hard to filter overnight, and it gives your metabolism a head start. Drink this daily, and you'll not only feel lighter, but your skin might even start glowing. Number 2. Cucumber and ginger detox water. Cucumbers are mostly water, so they hydrate you deeply while also delivering antioxidants and compounds that reduce bloating. Ginger, on the other hand, is a powerful thermogenic spice. It slightly increases your body temperature, which boosts your metabolism so you burn more calories, even while sitting down. Ginger also helps suppress appetite and fights inflammation. To prepare it, slice half a cucumber into thin circles. Add a few slices of fresh ginger root, about 4 or 5 thin pieces, and drop them into a jug of water. Let it chill in the fridge for 2-3 hours. If you want extra zing, squeeze a little lime juice over the top before drinking. The best time to enjoy cucumber and ginger detox water is before your meals. Drinking a glass 20-30 minutes before you eat helps you feel fuller, prevents overeating, and gets your digestion running smoothly. Number 3. Apple cinnamon detox water. This one doesn't just help you lose weight, it also feels like sipping apple pie in a glass. Apple and cinnamon detox water is one of the tastiest combinations on this list, but don't let the sweetness fool you. It's powerful for fat loss. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that keeps you full for longer and slows down sugar absorption. Cinnamon, on the other hand, balances blood sugar levels and prevents those energy crashes that make you crave junk food. Here's how you make it. Slice 1 apple into thin rings. Red apples work best. Add a cinnamon stick, not powdered cinnamon because that just floats around and makes the drink messy, and drop them into a pitcher of water. Let it sit for a couple of hours. The best time to drink apple cinnamon detox water is mid-morning or mid-afternoon when sugar cravings usually strike. Instead of reaching for a candy bar, sipping this drink gives you that sweet kick without the calories. And here's a secret. Cinnamon also helps your body store less fat by improving insulin sensitivity. That means fewer calories turning into belly fat. Number 4. Pineapple and mint detox water. If you're looking for something tropical, this is it. Pineapple isn't just juicy and sweet, it's loaded with bromelain, an enzyme that helps digest protein, reduce bloating, and even fight inflammation. Mint steps in to cool and refresh while soothing your stomach. This combination feels like a vacation in a glass while secretly helping you burn fat. To make it, chop a few pineapple chunks, fresh, not canned. The canned kind is loaded with sugar syrup, and add 5-6 mint leaves into your water jug. Chill it for 2-3 hours, and you've got a drink that's as pretty as it is powerful. The best time to drink pineapple and mint detox water is after a heavy meal. Instead of feeling sluggish and bloated, this drink helps your stomach break down food faster. It's perfect if you're prone to bloating or slow digestion. Number 5. Watermelon and basil detox water. This one is summer in a glass. Watermelon is 92% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. It also contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness, so it's perfect if you're hitting the gym. Basil, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory and stress-reducing properties. Together, they make a drink that not only helps with weight loss, but also lowers stress. A big deal because stress hormones like cortisol are linked to stubborn belly fat. To prepare, cube a cup of fresh watermelon, toss it into your pitcher, and add 3-4 fresh basil leaves. Let it sit for at least an hour. The longer it sits, the more the flavors meld together. The best time to drink watermelon and basil detox water is post-workout. It helps rehydrate, eases muscle soreness, and keeps your metabolism humming along. Instead of grabbing a sugary sports drink, this one works better and without the empty calories. Number 6. Grapefruit and rosemary detox water. Grapefruit has been linked in multiple studies to weight loss because it helps lower insulin levels and improves fat burning. It's low in calories but high in flavor, which makes it a natural appetite suppressant. Rosemary, the herb we usually sprinkle on chicken or potatoes, actually improves digestion and circulation. Together, they make a powerhouse combo. To prepare, slice half a grapefruit into wedges and add a small sprig of fresh rosemary. Fill your jug with water and let it chill for at least 2 hours. The rosemary adds an earthy flavor that balances the tanginess of grapefruit. The best time to drink this is in the afternoon, when your energy levels start to dip. Grapefruit boosts your metabolism, while rosemary helps clear brain fog and keeps you focused. So instead of an afternoon coffee, try this. It'll energize you without the caffeine crash. Number 7. Strawberry and lemon detox water. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, but they're also high in fiber, which slows digestion and helps you stay full. Lemon, as we mentioned earlier, supports fat metabolism and detoxification. Together, they make a drink that's sweet, tangy, and perfect for curbing sugar cravings while helping your body burn fat. To make it, slice 4-5 strawberries, add half a lemon sliced into thin rounds, and drop them into a jug of water. Let it infuse for 2-3 hours in the fridge. You can even crush the strawberries a little before adding them in to release more flavor. The best time to drink this detox water is in the evening after dinner. Instead of reaching for dessert, sip this. It satisfies that sweet tooth while keeping your calorie intake low. Plus, strawberries are great for your skin, so you're losing weight and glowing at the same time. Number 8. Orange and blueberry detox water. If you want something that feels like sunshine in a glass, orange and blueberry detox water is your go-to. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body metabolize fat more effectively. That means your body burns energy faster instead of storing it. Blueberries, often called a superfood, are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control, two things that directly affect how easily you lose weight. Together, these fruits create a sweet, tangy water that not only tastes amazing but also fights belly fat. To prepare, slice 1 orange into thin rounds and add a small handful of fresh blueberries into a pitcher of water. Lightly crush a few of the blueberries before dropping them in. This releases their natural flavor and nutrients into the water. Let the mix infuse for about 2-3 hours in the fridge for best results. The best time to drink orange and blueberry detox water is mid-morning, around that time when your energy starts to slump. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, this drink will wake you up, balance your blood sugar, and keep cravings away. It's also a great alternative to fruit juices, which are often loaded with hidden sugars. This way, you get the flavor without the calories. Number 9. Aloe vera and lemon detox water. This one might surprise you, but aloe vera and lemon detox water is a hidden gem for weight loss. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburn. It's rich in enzymes and compounds that improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and help regulate blood sugar. When your digestion is working smoothly, your body absorbs nutrients better and stores less fat. Lemon adds that fat-burning vitamin C boost and helps flush out toxins. Together, this combo creates a drink that's refreshing, healing, and slimming at the same time. To prepare it, you'll need fresh aloe vera gel, about 1-2 tablespoons, and half a sliced lemon. Add both to a pitcher of water and stir well until the aloe mixes in. Chill it in the fridge for 1-2 hours. If you don't have fresh aloe, you can use store-bought pure aloe juice, but make sure it has no added sugars. The best time to drink aloe vera and lemon detox water is early in the morning before breakfast. It cleanses your digestive system, kickstarts your metabolism, and sets your body up for a day of efficient calorie burning. People often notice less bloating and more regular digestion after just a few days of drinking this. It's like giving your gut a daily reset. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.